Before performing work on your SUPER73, make sure that the battery is in the off position, unlocked, and removed from your bike. Follow the wires stemming from the display to the wiring harness and disconnect the HEGO plug by pulling the male and female connectors straight away from each other. Using a 4mm hex wrench, remove the brake handle from the handlebar by removing the 2 screws and the bracket that hold the brake lever to the handlebar. Next, using a 3mm hex wrench, loosen the display screw from the underside of the display mount. Make sure not to completely remove the screw, but only to loosen it until the display can easily slide off the handlebar. Now remove the handle grip from the handlebar of your bike. We recommend using a burst of pressurized air to slide the grip off. You may now place the new display on the handlebar and connect the HEGO plugs by aligning the arrows on the male and female connectors. Make sure to push the 2 connections together with gentle force. Before securing the display, place the grip firmly back into place on the handlebar and reattach the brake lever using a 4mm hex wrench. Make sure the brake lever is flush against the handle grip. Now tighten the display using a 3mm hex wrench. Make sure that the display is close enough to the brake lever without the throttle movement being interrupted. If the display is too close to the brake lever, the throttle may get stuck.